Hello, this is a quick tutorial on installing the Mevengine executable. First, store the .exe file in a location of your choice. Once you have the executable, simply click on the executable file and to launch the installer. Once you have the installer open, simply click on next. You have I recommend keeping the default settings over here, but you can change them according to your needs. You can click on next. After you can click on additional icons. Yes, wait for the installation to complete. Okay, so after the installation is complete, you are ready to run the program. I click finish here. Yeah, the program is ready for execution. You can also open from your desktop. You have the Mevengine over here. Also, you can open it from your start menu. Yeah. Okay, on the interface, you'll see an option to input the license key. Please note that the license key will not be stored on your local machine and must be imported every time you start the bot. The rest of the things will be saved and can be used anytime you run the program later on. Thank you.